Everybody is dealing with something in their life and we don't know what it is. Most of us go through that without sharing that with the world. And so if you can do anything, just be kind. You can be anything in this world. Choose to be kind. We don't know, again, what other people are going through. We all have struggles of our own. And so kindness is the antidote to negativity. Kindness is a way for us to be able to let other people know that there is still good in the world. We do see value in them. It's just an important thing. Just take that extra second to just be kind to somebody. Personally speaking, I've appreciated every time someone has reached out to me with a hand of friendship, with a smile, with just a quick, hey, how's it going? Any thoughts of kindness that I get is just always a blessing in my life, and I'm grateful for that. So thank you to those of you who have been that person to reach out to me. Thank you. And I hope that I can do that for other people, for you guys. Reach out to you with a hand of kindness and say, it's okay. Life's rough some days, but it's going to be okay. And there is hope and there is love, and just keep going. You can do it. I believe in you. So that's my message for you guys tonight. Just keep going. You can do it. I believe in you.